Guys, the Bitcoin price is in imminent danger to break here to the downside. I have found a pattern that I have just noticed today and nobody else is talking about this. I have seen nobody on YouTube talking about this with a sizable channel, so you have heard it here first if we break down. So that is also the reason why you should make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out when I always find things like this. So first of all, I want to talk about our 1 hourly descending broadening wedge that we were forming here. So we saw yesterday a breakout out of this here to the upside. We have also reached the target of that to the upside and got immediately rejected from there here once again, and now it looks like that we are forming here a smaller falling wedge. If I connect it like this, take this here away. So but I believe this is potentially not breaking out to the upside. So to confirm that, I would like to have a look on a stochastic RSI. So here we go. Oh, they were already there. I didn't know. So we are flatlining here, and when we are flatlining for quite a while here at the bottom, that is for me most of the time a bearish sign, because it means there is a lot of downwards pressure already in the price. If this is not changing in this hour, so that we break to the upside, the target of that would be the top of the rise of the falling wedge, $23,300. But like I said, I have found a pattern that shows me, unfortunately, on a higher time frame, something totally different, and that is here on the 4 hourly time frame, and we have it also on the 12 hourly time frame. This diamond top pattern. So when we have a diamond pattern, we see here that we come out of an upwards move into that pattern, start going here to the upside within the diamond pattern, come to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, and then we fail to go completely to the top, not always, but sometimes, and then we break to the downside. So what do we see here? We see the upwards movement coming into the diamond pattern, going down, going up, we're not getting close to the top, going down, going all the way to the top, coming back down to to the resistance again, and now potentially to a breakdown point. So when we measure the breakdown, and we take the top of the diamond pattern all the way to the bottom and put it to the breakdown point, which would be here, and that would give us a price target of $21,300 if we are not seeing the unusual happen, that we break it to the upside out of it or going sideways out of it. If we are not seeing that and we see a break of $22,800, I would say, then we have an amazing short opportunity here in the next coming hours to trade this all the way down to $21,300. I'm not sure if I will be shorting because I'm leaving soon to a concert, so I'm not sure if I will be able to short this from there, but otherwise I might actually short this to the downside. But guys, if you want to take this trade, then don't forget, on BYBIT you still get $30,000 absolutely for free. I've negotiated with BYBIT only for you guys. You get this only with my link here in the description below and in the pinned comment, and also Bitget $20,000 also only with that specific link here. So the other question is, if we go down, is then this whole uptrend over? No, it's not. We are still technically then in an uptrend. We would just create a higher low here. We have here a higher low, we have here a higher low, we have here a higher low. So the upward structure would be still absolutely intact, and it would not change in the immediate short term something on the trajectory for Bitcoin that we go here in the next couple of weeks to at least $25,000. So of course this could also turn out to break it to the upside, but it is a bearish pattern, and we have to lean to the bearish side because, like I said, this is also you can also see that on a 12 hourly time frame, which is a quite high time frame, and we will know in, let's say, the next 4 to 6 hours in which direction we are going. But right now, if the bots are not stepping in, it does not look really good here for the immediate short term over this weekend for Bitcoin. So we can of course also look at the volume if we have any kind of volume. Now the volume is decreasing here, so that means also that the bigger move is coming. So and yeah, that move right now looks like it will be to the downside, and we should be definitely aware of that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.